Gun in hand, man allegedly demanded sex during power outage. Uncle allegedly fatally stabs nephew in Portland. 16-year-old boy charged with murder. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 35-year-old Ricardo Gray, otherwise called Ricky, a construction worker of Winchester District, Golden Grove in St. Thomas, was charged with assault with intent to rape and possession of prohibited weapon following an incident in the parish on Monday, January 2nd, 2023. Reports are that on that date, Gray offered to assist a woman with an electricity outage. But he then allegedly brandished a firearm, held to the now complainant's neck, and demanded sex. The woman managed to wrestle from his grasp and raised an alarm and was assisted by members of her community. Gray was subsequently arrested during a police operation and was charged after he was recently positively identified by the complainant. His court date is being finalized. A man was fatally stabbed by his uncle during an argument in Millbank, Portland, Thursday morning. The uncle is being sought by the police. It is reported that the two had verbal confrontations over the past week. It is further reported that during an exchange Thursday morning, which got heated, the uncle allegedly used a knife to stab his nephew. The injured man was taken to the hospital, where he was pronounced dead. More details to come following further investigations. A 16-year-old boy has been charged in connection with an October 2022 attack that left a man dead and a teenage girl injured. The teenager was charged on Tuesday with murder, conspiracy to commit murder, illegal possession of ammunition, and housebreaking with intent. He was charged in the presence of his attorney while in custody at the Metcalf Street Secure Juvenile Remand Center. The incident happened on October 24, 2022, on 7th Street in Kingston 13.